got a leaky axle shaft seal, and what I gotta do is I gotta dump all the fluid out and then pull all the axles out, or the axle shafts out. So I'm just getting ready and prepared for that. It's maybe not metric. Let's see what we got in the American size. 1/2 inch. Yeah, 1/2 inch. We got a little bit of leakage over here. I kind of want to break that down. You don't want to breathe that shit in. Let's back up a little bit more. A little RTV was used. This diff fluid stinks really bad. What sucks about it is you don't have a lot of room to work on it because of the fact that the gas tank is right here. There's your tag that tells you what your differential is. This looks like a 273. That's exactly what it is. Most all green Marquis have 273s. The older ones I think have 308s. I'm gonna loosen the top bolt, but I'm not gonna pull it completely off until that spillage of the fluid gets out of there. Yep. There we go. There it goes. There goes the diff fluid. Stuff smells like cat urine. This is where I wish I had my rubber gloves. But diff off, diff cover off. Got a little clip up here, just want to be aware of.